driving toward past Christian, Mississippi. Along this highway, look at this tree. Look at those oak trees. Their front yard, let me turn the camera, is the Gulf of Mexico. Right out there. Azaleas are blooming. It's springtime here in Mississippi. Well, it's springtime everywhere, but these homes, the trees are just as gorgeous. Beautiful little park right here. It's got a great walkway and the back playground back there. War Memorial Park. Some white azaleas. That's beautiful. This is a beautiful little town of past Christian, Mississippi. Davis Avenue. I believe this might be the original Hancock Whitney Bank, or if not the original, one of the very first ones. Past Christian was heavily affected by Hurricane Katrina. Most of this is new. There was a home that sat here that was completely wiped off. Well, there were a lot of homes that were, there's the steps right there to the home. That's all that was left. Past Christian Historical Society. And this beautiful church right here. St. Paul Catholic Church. Once again, I'll show you across the street. There's a marina over there. It's an overcast day here in Mississippi, actually across most of the South, and it's very windy. The winds are like 20, 25 miles an hour. This is new construction right here in past Christian. If you've not seen it, it's called Past Bungalows. It's going to be really nice. It's been worked on for a while. You got Bacchus Bar right here. Is that called Bacchus right there? Okay. And then Bacchus Restaurant, fabulous food. One of our favorite places to stay, the Hotel Past Christian. And the Blue Rose, one of the most beautiful homes I've ever been in and toured. It is gorgeous, and it is open for brunch on the weekends. It's historic. And you have Shaggy's across the street. There's a lot, and look at that shrimp boat over there. Oh, sorry about that. See that big old shrimp boat? And then Shaggy's restaurant right there. And that was our drive down this little highway. We're getting back on Highway 90 to head toward Gulfport. No, where are we heading to? Bay St. Louis. Gulfport's behind us. Remember I tell you how windy it was? Look at those waves in the Gulf of Mexico. So now we're back on Highway 90, headed toward Bay St. Louis. Hope you enjoyed some footage of Mississippi.